Hey guys, welcome to Christchurch 2020. This video has been filmed over the past month. I'm going to show you parts of Christchurch and around it. Here we are up on the Port Hills looking at the gondola and the earthquake damaged road. It's kind of cool, it's used as a bike track and walking track now. No cars are allowed on there. Pretty sweet views of the city. There's the old Pack and Save building. And if you've got telescopes for eyes, you can see the new Brighton Pier way over there. Just barely visible without the zoom on here. Here we are in Sumner. They just finished this nice walking path all the way around, most of the way into town that you can go on. Beautiful morning. I like to come down here and watch the sunrise sometimes. A lot of people walking their dogs and just hanging out. Well, when I say a lot, you know, Christchurch a lot. Here we are going over to Lyttelton. They completed this road about a year ago. It was damaged after the earthquakes and just sat empty for a while. And you can watch the harbour, the ships loading and unloading from this viewpoint they have. Pretty cool to see it all happening and how they do it. And the funny little machines they got driving around. Hi little people. Here's the square. I like how they've got the Māori symbol and also the anchor there in the square. They often have like a band and a market there on the weekend. Going through the tunnel. Was New Zealand's longest tunnel until they built a big one in Auckland a couple of years ago. There's some new swing things they got. Here we are in the square. Library, pretty cool library, and then you've got this horrible church that's still there. Really need to do something about that. But the rest of it's looking pretty good these days. That building's almost complete. What's this? Cashel Street Mall. Here we are in Victoria Square. They've got this little fountain that looks pretty cool at night. It also looks over to the convention centre here that's being built. Should be finished in about a year. It's pretty big, it takes up 2 city blocks. Here's the Avon River, also right behind the convention centre there. Here we are in town. They got some art things on display. That's quite a funny one. This is the terrace. Good hangout spot. And then also, if we go into nighttime here, you'll see, boom, Nightclub Central. There's a couple of areas in town, and this is a big one for going out at night. We've got Fat Eddie's, a few other places. Since we're here, I'll show you the casino. Looks pretty cool lit up at night. We'll drive around a few other places. Oh, there's the police van. We'll follow that around. That's actually the fancy police and court station there. Here's the new marketplace on the left. Yay, car park buildings. It's cool little lights they stuck up. Now we're on Colombo Street. Right in the centre there's Cashel Street again. This building's it's still being worked on, but they got some cool Christmas lights on it. Here's the library at night. Looks pretty good, all lit up, kind of gold coloured. Back in town again, there's that bridge near Ballantyne's. We got Intex and movie theatres on the right there, and that big roof line to the left is the bus station. Kind of futuristic looking. Yay, more car park buildings. They love making you pay for car parks here. Vodafone, they've got a massive video game screen on the side that you can play for free from the street. Here we are back in the terrace. There's the Bridge Remembrance. Oh, daytime again. Here's the new marketplace complex. It's a 2-story building with kind of a 3rd-story eatery on top. This opened up, I don't know, about 3 months ago. It's pretty good, pretty popular. You can see There's a top level right up the top there that's quite small, but it's just for eating. And then right around here they've even got a cooking class you can take. Here's the rooftop bar area. There's a couple of different places, pretty nice. The Margaret Mayhew playground again. It's always the best playground. For kids and adults, once it gets night time, it's still full of people. Markets, here's the US Air Force. They come down and do an open day for the Antarctica missions. Hey, it's Santa. Good old Santa parade, about an hour and a half long. They really get into the parades here. Not really all Christmas related, but a lot of parades. Here's some of the, I think this is the Sunday Riccarton Market. Donuts, food trucks. Got a lucky day here when it wasn't raining or cloudy. Some dudes singing in the park. Quite a nice place to hang out. Christmas in the Park, that's my favourite. It's the New Zealand's biggest free event. I can't remember how many people we got. It was at least 20,000 though in the park there. There's some of the food. There's always hot dogs and chips. Multiple places just selling the same thing over again. American hot dogs with cheese on them. Tree lightings, always fun.
Awesome work. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening here. Thank you. Coca-Cola Christmas in the Park. All right, next.
And fireworks at the end. Pretty nice to watch too. So it's a good way to finish the year, as well as the New Year's party they do in the park. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your New Year's. I'll see you later.